Product number 1. Folding step stool. The lightweight step stool is sturdy enough to support adults and safe enough for kids. Opens easy with one flip. Great for kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, kids or adults. Sold by Handy Laundry Store. Get the special price for $0. Product details. Unique. Grip. Textured surface makes the folding step stool safe for everyone, including kids. The anti-skid foot pads feature makes it safety certified and passes ANSI III. Requirements. The lightweight but sturdy folding step stool is easy to use because it opens with one flip of the hand. It's a great step up